From the heart of Barcelona's most ambitious construction site, we return once again to witness how this monumental stadium is rapidly taking shape, with every sector revealing new layers of progress, from the advancing compression ring and expanding structural framework to the evolving decorative facades, VIP interiors, and core engineering zones. Today's update captures the latest real-time progress as we move through each section and break down exactly what has changed on site. One of the biggest milestones achieved this week is the continued expansion of the compression ring, which has now surpassed the 50% completion mark. Following the successful installation of the milestone segment, additional box sections are already prepared and positioned for lifting. Construction teams are steadily advancing from the south goal area toward the Tribune section, and industry experts believe the remaining half of the ring could be completed significantly faster thanks to the experience gained during the first phase. The compression ring remains one of the most critical structural elements of the future roof system and continues to progress at an impressive pace. Significant progress can be seen around several of the stadium cores, where support structures for the decorative louvers have already been installed, while some sections are still awaiting final cladding work. The framework required for the louvers is now clearly visible throughout multiple areas of the stadium. In the south goal and north goal sectors, portions of the decorative facade have already been completed, gradually transforming the exterior appearance of the venue and bringing more color and identity to the structure. Inside the VIP rings, work continues to focus on interior finishing. The drywall partitions are already in place, and many of the walls appear fully prepared for painting and final treatments. Although there are no major visible changes compared to previous updates, the area is steadily progressing toward the fit-out phase. These premium hospitality spaces are beginning to take shape and will eventually become some of the most exclusive areas inside the new stadium. The Tribune sector continues to move forward on multiple fronts. Decorative facade preparations are becoming increasingly visible, with support structures now installed and ready for the arrival of the louvers. Underground infrastructure work is also progressing around this side of the stadium, including utility networks and service connections. Meanwhile, activity around the future Barca megastore remains intense, with ongoing earthworks and terrain preparation laying the groundwork for future access routes and finishing works. Work on the upper bowl continues to move forward as more seating steps and structural elements are installed across the third tier. Most of the terrace sections are now clearly visible, while crews remain active on elevated platforms carrying out finishing and structural tasks. Although parts of the view are gradually being hidden by the growing compression ring, progress throughout the upper bowl remains evident, with workers advancing multiple phases simultaneously. Every week, the third tier looks more complete, bringing the stadium closer to its final seating configuration and overall architectural form. One of the most important structural developments of the day comes from the north goal section, where a new tie beam reinforcement has now been installed as part of the compression ring system. This major structural component mirrors similar installations seen elsewhere around the stadium and plays a vital role in distributing roof loads throughout the structure. The addition of this reinforcement confirms that compression ring construction is advancing exactly as planned and continues to move steadily toward the Tribune sector. The north goal area is experiencing noticeable visual transformation as decorative louvers continue to spread across the facade. Several roof sections and access areas have already received their final exterior treatments, bringing color and architectural character to this part of the stadium. The next phase will focus on extending these decorative elements beneath the first terrace and across additional sections of the facade, further enhancing the stadium's distinctive appearance and bringing the north goal sector closer to completion. The diamond area continues to show some of the most visible progress across the project. The largest diamond structure is advancing rapidly, with reinforcement work, columns, and floor support elements becoming increasingly defined. Meanwhile, the central diamond has reached another important milestone, as column formwork is now in place and concrete pouring operations have officially begun. Construction teams remain active throughout the area, and with new structural sections being completed almost daily, The entire diamond zone is steadily transforming into one of the most recognizable features of the future stadium complex. The second cantilever level continues to show steady construction progress with multiple elevated work platforms actively engaged beneath the seating structure. Teams are working across different points, focusing on finishing tasks and structural detailing. Despite challenging heat conditions, activity remains consistent, with workers positioned under shaded areas while carrying out precision work. The overall structure at this level is gradually becoming more defined as multiple installation phases progress simultaneously across the zone. In the lower voladizo area, construction activity remains moderate but focused, with machinery and platforms positioned at different structural points. Concrete pumping equipment is visible on site, indicating ongoing or upcoming concrete operations in specific zones. Interior sections continue to show hidden but active progress, where workers are engaged in detailed installation work that is partially obstructed from external view. The block structures remain unchanged, confirming stability in completed areas, while finishing works and internal installations continue in parallel. In the north goal corner, structural preparation work is actively progressing with the installation of anchors and support systems for the upcoming louver, llamas façade. Multiple fixing points have been placed across the floor and structural edges, clearly marking the alignment for future facade elements. Cranes and lifting equipment continue to move materials into position, supporting the ongoing installation process. This zone is currently in a preparation phase, where structural supports are being finalized before the main louver installation begins. The final corner stand area continues to show steady development with ongoing structural and finishing activities. While not as visually dynamic as some other zones, the internal framework remains active with workers operating behind structural layers. Some material removal and logistical movement is also taking place, indicating ongoing finishing operations. This section is progressing steadily within its scheduled phase, with internal work continuing even when external movement appears limited. And that brings us to the end of today's stadium update. From the steady progress of the compression ring to the expanding decorative facade, the advancing VIP interiors, and the continuous development across all key sectors, the transformation is clearly moving forward at full scale. Each visit reveals a new layer of progress, and what once looked like raw structure is now slowly turning into a fully defined architectural masterpiece. We'll continue tracking every major milestone as construction moves ahead in the coming weeks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next update.